Welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Look at this. I am out here. I have no idea where I am, to be honest with you, but it is an awesome place with a lot of lights, cool lights, bokeh lights. You know what I'm saying? So I have a lens that I want to test out today. It is the Zeiss 55mm f1.8. If you know your lens, you know that this is a fantastic lens. Everyone gets this lens to do portrait and stuff like that because of the 55mm. I heard it's one of the sharpest lens that you can get on the Sony full frame systems. So today I just wanted to be out here in total darkness. It's like 9 o'clock right now, 10 now, ooh, 10. To shoot as much as I can out here with these lights. I mean, it's not like super dark, but it is nighttime. All right, so let's cut to the chase. Let's get to it. Well guys, that is it right there, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.